Yeah, man. It's your boy A Plus. Y'all know I ain't no motherfucking hoe, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't never been no bitch ass nigga, man. So, I'm about to do this motherfucking cinnamon challenge. Okay? I ain't scared. You heard me? You heard me? Real. Cinnamon challenge, bitch. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get me a spoon. Motherfucking spoon. Y'all see the motherfucking spoon? Spoon's empty. Can y'all see the motherfucking spoon? I'm gonna fill the spoon up with cinnamon. This shit can't be that rough. Spoon full of cinnamon. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Here we go. Oh shit! What does this do? Fuck this shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Go upstairs, baby. Go upstairs.
What happened?
I just threw up. Dad just threw up. Go upstairs, okay? Oh, shit. Go upstairs, girl.
What's you doing?
Nothing, boo. Woo, shit.
Stop it in there.
Oh my gosh. Get upstairs, girl. Go. Go put on your doctor. Give me that time. Go upstairs and put on your doctor. Oh, shit. Turn me into a hoe today. That's why they make garbage disposal. You feel me? God damn. Man, what the fuck? Man, I ain't never fucking with y'all niggas again. Listening to y'all niggas Talking about a motherfucking cinnamon challenge. Look at my goddamn counter. Man, when I put the shit in my mouth, man, it felt like it melted. It just disappeared. Oh, God, I felt like I was about to die. That's the stupidest shit. Fucking stupid. Stupid ass nigga. I'm stupid as fuck. I was gonna post this shit, but after I don't think I'm gonna post it. I'm about to go upstairs and brush my teeth and shit, man. Fuck y'all.